Today as a school community we gather to commemorate ANZAC Day. As a nation we will do so again tomorrow. And it is a day where we will stop and remember those who gave their lives so that we as a nation and as a community can live in freedom. As a symbol of respect, our flags displayed outside the junior school office has been lowered to half-mast during this service as a sign of respect and to show that we aren't taking this time for granted.
On the morning of the 25th of April 1915, the ANZAC tradition was formed, as Australian and New Zealand troops landed under gunfire at Gallipoli. The element of that tradition has inspired and offered an enduring example to later generations of Australians. Not only do we honour the memory of those who have fallen in battle, we share the sorrows of those who have mourned them and of all who have been victims of armed conflict.
The ANZAC spirit represents a sense of purpose and direction. The original ANZACs knew what they had to do. They knew the dangers and the difficulties of the task, but that did not stop them from obeying their orders, from striving to achieve their tasks no matter the obstacles. You can apply this to school and at home. Your teachers set you tasks at school you need to complete. Your parents may have set you jobs at home to do. No matter what the difficulties you think are in your way, think of the difficulties that the ANZACs had, and you too can push through them to complete your task.